Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the first 5 days of Dermstore skincare advent calendar. As a child, I loved my advent calendar, and this is the perfect advent calendar for my adult child. I love skincare, as you know, if you watch my channel, and I've been enjoying opening each little box every morning and checking out what skincare surprise is in there. Today, I'm going to take you on the first 5 days of this advent calendar, show you all the products. I've also done a full face of skincare using these products this morning, and then a full face of makeup. I've been sharing these over on my Instagram page, but I thought, why not bring it to my YouTube followers? I'm going to share with you the products as I open them each morning, give you a few highlights, and then show you how I use them in a skincare routine. Day 1 was Dr. Loretta, a full-size urban antioxidant sunscreen, SPF 40. This has the antioxidant lipochromin, which provides the skin with protection from free radical damage, and Indian ginseng extract guards against the HUV light emitted from the sun and electronic devices. In drawer number 2, I discovered a deluxe-size sample of the Solwasu First Care Activating Serum. They recommend using this serum right after cleansing. It's supposed to give your skin a healthy glow and balance and harmonize the skin. It's in a base of glycerin. It also has 3 antioxidants and 5 various soothing ingredients, including honey. It has a little bit of alcohol in it, so if you're sensitive to alcohol in skincare, you might want to steer clear, but I'm really looking forward to trying this for the first time this morning. On day 3, I found a fairly small sample size of SkinMedica's Dermal Repair Cream. I'm not surprised the sample size was this small. This is a very expensive moisturizer. Let's talk about some of its ingredients. It has the antioxidant and skin brightening ingredient tetrahexyl decollete, which is a derivative of vitamin C. The cell-communicating ingredient is a derivative of vitamin A, retinol palmitate. It also has tons of soothing ingredients: sodium hyaluronate, squalane, glycerin, panthenol, aloe, oat kernel extract. So this is a fairly rich moisturizer with lots of calming ingredients. Day 4's surprise was a product that I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's Holly Frog's exclusive Halo AHA BHA Evening Serum. This is only used in the evening because it's a resurfacing facial serum that renews and nourishes and brightens the skin. The first thing I want to point out is this is an exfoliating serum, so definitely use it in your evening skincare routine to give your skin some time to recover overnight and follow it up the next day with your SPF. Let's talk about the key ingredients. The first one I want to call out is salicylic acid. This is an anti-acne ingredient. I deal with a bit of adult acne, so a little bit of salicylic acid every once in a while is great for cleaning out the pores. It has about 5 antioxidants and gentle exfoliants: glycolic acid, lactic acid, and of course salicylic acid. The skin-identical ingredients are glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, and sodium PCA. It also has some soothing ingredients like aloe, camellia, and rosemary. I think this is going to be a great evening serum for me for just a gentle exfoliation once or twice a week. Finally, on day number 5, we have Peter Thomas Roth's Instant Firmex Eye Tightening Treatment. This is a temporary treatment for smoothing the under eye area. It was all over TikTok last spring and summer, really hard to find, but you can get it now. It's a really lovely treatment. I love to use it for date night. You have to be really sparing with it, but it definitely gives the under eye a very smooth appearance. It uses some silicate, and it also has several peptides to make it hydrating. And I wouldn't use this on an everyday basis, but for a special night, I definitely enjoy using this for a really nice, smooth, glammed up under eye area. I used the Holly Frog Evening Serum the night before I did this skincare routine. I just took 2 pumps and patted it into clean, dry skin and moved on with some moisturizer. I woke up the next day with really soft, smooth skin and used the Solwasu Activating Serum as my first step after cleansing. This is a very lightweight serum and sunk in almost immediately into my skin. It was a great prep for the next step in my skincare routine. Then I came in with some moisturizer, the SkinMedica. This is a fairly rich moisturizing cream, which is great for wintertime. As I was only using a single serum this morning, I decided to put a nice heavy layer of the SkinMedica Dermal Repair Cream on, especially after using the Holly Frog Resurfacing Serum the night before. Then I came in with the Dr. Loretta SPF. This takes a little while to work in, and it does have a slight white cast, as you can see. I don't think it would be great for every skin tone. I'm not even sure Fitzpatrick 3 could wear this. It does take a little bit of time to work in, and it does have a little bit of difficulty layering with other products. I have noticed some pilling. I have used this in the past. Be a little cautious when purchasing this sunscreen, especially if your skin tone is on the deeper side. I finished off this look with the Firmex Eye Tight treatment. Even though it's daytime, I thought I'd give it a try for a daytime look. You just use a small pea-size amount and you tap it into your under eye area in a very, very thin layer. And you try not to move your eyes as it dries down for 3 to 5 minutes. You let this set up and then you just move on with the rest of your makeup routine. Today I'm using the Kosas concealer for a little brightening in the inner corner of my eye. I usually don't take my concealer too far under my eye as it tends to start to crease in the lines under my eye. So I just try to keep it in the inner corner. I might buff it out a little bit over the lid and under the eye, but a very small amount. Then I take my fingers and press it in and warm it up so that it has a really nice seamless look. The Kosas formula is really nice for the mature under eye because it's very hydrating. Now for a little mascara. I'm going to prime my lashes this morning with the Benefits Primer. Many days I just use this primer as my mascara, but today I thought I'd top it off with Tower 28's Curling Mascara. I find this an excellent combination. They really work well together. There's very little clumping and very little fallout. I'm going to try the Westman Atelier complexion drops this morning. This will be the first time I've actually used it in a full makeup routine. The drops are fairly runny. This is supposed to be skincare and foundation all in one. Unfortunately, even though I did the color match on their online site, I think I got a color that's definitely too light for me. As my pigmentation fades over this winter, it might be a better match, but it's a little on the light side. It also goes on a little heavier than I anticipated. I thought it would be a very light formula. I think it's more of a medium coverage. I was definitely expecting more of a skin tint as opposed to a foundation. Now I'm going to come in with a bit of Euphoria's Bio Blush. I love this lip to cheek product. It changes color with the pH of your skin. I absolutely love this with my gray hair because it's just the right color of pink. There's also a tip that you can use a Q-tip so that you don't actually put your skin oils back into the jar and turn product slightly pink after using it several times. I was already beyond that point, so I've just been using the applicator brush. Last but not least, I'm going to do my brows today. This is the Gimme Brow in Gray by Benefit. I've been a fan of this particular brow gel for years, since one of my best friends, Kim, recommended it to me when we were getting our brows waxed at Benefit one day. This is the final look. I'm really pleased with all the products that I used in the Dermstore Day 1 through 5 Advent Calendar. This was so much fun. I'm going to be doing this each week as we count down to the 24th and get to the big Dermstore drawer. I also have a new makeup decluttering video, and I'll pop that in at the end of this video. Go check that out if you like a good makeup declutter. I think I overextended myself during the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. If you've been watching my channel, you kind of know that I'm a bit of a minimalist when it comes to makeup, and I have a bin that I keep all my makeup in, and once it kind of outgrows the bin, I know it's time for a declutter. I can't believe it's already time, but if you like a good makeup declutter, check that video out. I also wanted to wish you a very happy holiday season. Definitely subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss next week's Advent Calendar Roundup. I'm wishing you a skintastic day.